Alright, the next type of crash is merge-denier crashes into the side of your car. So when you are merging into a lane and there's somebody else in that lane, you've got to make sure there's enough room to get in. But you also have to give the people in the lane enough time to react to your presence and to open up or at least maintain a gap big enough for your car to get into. So sometimes you'll get into or there will be the type of crash where somebody coming in on an on-ramp will get hit in the side, or sometimes it'll be out on the freeway where somebody is changing lanes and a car that's already in the lane hits them in the side. So always be vigilant about watching for this. Obviously, this is the kind of accident that happens when two cars are merging. This is merge-denier hits the side of your car. And this is accident type 14. If you've experienced this type of accident, please leave a comment beneath the video. Thanks.
So this car is probably over here somewhere.
Okay.
And I just got on the freeway like this.
Okay.
And I was getting ready to get off the freeway here. And I don't know if I was just going too slow for them or what, but as I was getting on the freeway, she come up behind me and she hit me like this and sent my car over into the middle. Totaled the car, of course.
Yeah.
About to show him what happened, friend. He stopped at one car. I was about to get over, right?
Yes.
And here she came speeding. But then she smacked us way back over here. She kept on going. And then we pulled over. Did you want your toy? Yeah.
Did she hit and run?
No, she gave us some information and stuff. But she went and lied to her mom and said it was our fault. So, yeah.
That sucks.